guys, a lot of times you check into a hotel room and you'll see one of these latches, right? Almost every hotel room, Dale, I'm sure you've seen them. You may get this door open, but what happens when you open the door and you've got that? Well, somebody smarter than me, matter of fact, the company's called Lock Jockey, came up with a device that basically defeats that locking mechanism, and it's very simple to use, but like anything else, just like the under the door tool, there's a little finesse with this thing, but once you figure out how it works, it pops right up.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
So people think that they're safe once they go into their hotel room and they engage all the locking mechanisms that are on their door. Just remember, again, as I said in another video, security, we're always one step behind the bad guys. The bad guys always think of a better mousetrap, okay? And then once they do something, we try to figure out how to mitigate it. So just because there's a locking mechanism on the door, you can't assume that somebody hasn't figured out a way to bypass it. And here's a classic example of that.
So guys, now that we've talked about the basics of how hotel security works, and guys, again, this isn't rocket scientist stuff. You just have to be situationally aware and kind of think a little bit outside the box. But we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you how this thing works. It's pretty simple. All right, so we're outside the door. We've already used the under the door tool to get the door to this point. And you are in this position. You've got the door open, but you got a hasp block right here, right? Can't get in. All you do is you take this device, you go in between the door frame and the door, right on top of the hasp block. You pull the door back to you, making sure you don't shut it all the way. Pull it back and boom. That's it. Easy peasy.